Do you remember those groups of Airways who were arrested back in 2019 for trying to cause a secessionist movement in the country? Well, there's something big about them. The ECOWAS court in Nigeria has ordered the Ghanaian government to pay them 75,000 US dollars for violation of their rights. This story is carried out by the Punch newspaper in Nigeria, so I'll take you through it. The ECOWAS Court of Justice has ordered the Ghanaian government to pay $75,000 in compensation to 30 members of the Homeland Study Group Foundation for what it described as the unlawful arbitrary detention in 2019. Delivering the judgment on Friday, the court in suit ECW CC APP 1224 awarded 2,500 to each applicant, ruling that their prolonged detention without trial violated their fundamental human rights under both Ghana's constitution and the African Charter on Human and People's Rights. Yeah, they've been in detention for a long period of time. I think this, uh, you know, gives them some sort of justice that they should have because they deserve it. One, upon arrest, they've just been in jail for no reason because our constitution actually clearly states, right, when somebody is arrested, within 24 hours, the person should be prosecuted or face a trial. Why should you arrest somebody and the person will be in jail for more than a year without you prosecuting the person and finding the person guilty? The person is not pronounced guilty by any court of the land, yet such a person is in jail. That is abuse that the court is talking about. Justice Ricardo Goncalves, who presided along Justice Sengu M. Koroma and Dupe Atoki, said the members were heard for over a year without being brought before a court, contravening Ghana's 48-hour court presentation rule. Just as I said it, you arrested them instead of just arraigning them before court within the hours of the next few hours, which is 48 hours in our constitution. You didn't do that, and you just kept them behind bars, imprisoned them. That is just like living in Afghanistan. So the Homeland Study Group from the Volta region of Ghana, they have won this case, and they are going to walk away with thousands of dollars. And when they go back, I'm sure they're going to start the same thing, trying to fight for the independence of the Volta region. I personally do not support this, what exactly they're doing. I don't have time for that. I'm not interested in any kind of secessionist movements. Today in Ghana, it's better we fight for economic freedom, which is far, far better than uh, the kind of trajectory they have decided to take. However, it doesn't also mean that when your enemies, those who consider them as enemies, your enemies' rights are violated, you should sit back and watch that and be applauding it. No, so the court has done something amazing. The Homeland Study Group Foundation and its members were arrested under the Prohibited Organization Decree of 1976 for advocating the independence of the Western Togoland. All right, they are actually saying, I have not read the documents that they have. They claim that they have Ghana, the Volta region should be independent of Ghana, should be free from Ghana. Which document ever says that? I don't know. But that is one of the positions that they have taken, that the Volta region must be independent of Ghana. That the people can have their own elected government and officials, ruling them. Because the plebiscite of 1956 actually in their claim says that. I have never read it before, but that is what they say. All right. However, the court reorganized its jurisdiction over the case. It struck out the foundation from the suit, stating that it had failed to present evidence of legal registration. The court also dismissed the applicant's claim to self-determination, ruling that neither the foundation nor its members had the legal standing to make such claims. Yes, So the court did not rule in favor of the Homeland Study Group Foundation that they are right, to be having this secessionist movement, declaration of independence. They are not right to do this. They are wrong. That must be clearly stated. They are wrong to do this. As I was saying, I don't have access to whatever document they have. I do not support it. It's a caveat over here. I do not support it. So the court is ruling in favor of the republic, but the court also ruled against the republic to give them $75,000 for the violation of their fundamental human rights. In addition to the compensation, the court ordered Ghana to either prosecute the 30 applicants within 2 weeks or release them unconditionally. So now, the West African court, the ECOWAS court, is saying arraign them within 2 weeks or release them. If you have any strong case against them, you just arraign them before court. Let Ghanaians know, let the world know. If you have nothing against them, just release them. Why keep them in the first place? I guess our prisons are not congested. All other reliefs sought by the applicants were dismissed, with both parties bearing their own legal costs. Is that okay? So, this is just a small victory for the Homeland Study Group Foundation for the violation of their fundamental human rights. And then anything big, actually. But then the Ghanaian government must do the needful by arraigning them before court, and let's see what comes out of that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this. Subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, and hit the notification button. Also give the video a thumbs up.